Recently, I bought this mechanical keyboard from Cosmic Byte. The unboxing video is in the channel. You can check it out. The problem I am facing in this keyboard is that when I press a key, the keystrokes are being multiple. So I will be showing you a hardware fix this problem. When I bought this keyboard, I thought that it is the best keyboard in the budget, but I was wrong. Even it is hot swappable, the keys are very costly to replace. So to fix this problem, we need a keycap puller, a key remover. Let's get started. The pins which are holding the switch are very sensitive. Be careful. This is the blue switch in the keyboard. There are also other types of switches, brown, red. I have no key opener with me. I will be opening this switch with a screwdriver. When you are done with opening the switch, you should be careful that the copper plates which are inserted into the switch, they are very delicate. Handle with care. Now we have to pop out this copper plate out of the switch. Just increase the angle of this copper plate and then insert it into the switch. Be careful while doing this. After you're done with this, insert this key into the keyboard and test it out. Now keyboard feels much better than the previous one.